Welcome back to day 16 of my gardening challenge. So I do a gardening job, one or more jobs every day in January. Today's video all about tidying up a border that I started and I never finished. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. So first job, I'm not taking all the growth off the Crocosmia. We're going to give it a little bit of winter protection because I planted them quite high up. But what I am going to do is just take it off the path. Gives me an opportunity to get a fresh edge on the lawn, and it kind of just makes me feel a little bit better about this bit of the garden. It's much needed tidy up. We've got some evergreen ferns in here as well, which I'm going to take a little bit of dead growth off the tips just to expose the lawn edge, and then I'm going to get into good weed. So this red robin's been quite disappointing. I wanted some really big evergreen interest over this side of the garden, and it's not done much, although it hasn't been in that long, so I'll give it the benefit of the doubt. I mentioned in one of my vlogs before the snow came, I'm struggling quite a lot with bindweed in the borders at the moment. Spring, I'm definitely going to spend a lot of time and effort getting amongst it and trying to dig out all the roots of the bindweed, because last year it was a bane of my life with this border over here. I'm going to continue to tidy this up. I'm going to take off the bottom leaves of the cord line. I did that with the cord line I've got over there, which looks fantastic now. So I'm going to tidy that up, give it a really good hoe through. And I might put you on a time lapse because you don't need to see me do this. Any questions with anything I'm going to do, please drop down below. Let's cut to me getting it done and stop talking about it. Now, to my surprise, the border wasn't too bad actually. It wasn't as frozen as I thought it was going to be, compared to like there's a load of snow and ice around. At least this part of the garden, this part of the border, certainly is done till spring. I've got a couple of moves I want to do, one being a Trachycarpus and the other one being my Paddleonia foxglove tree. They are moving locations within the garden, but that will be done in spring, and I'm not budging off that because they're too precious to me, right? Everything else is a gamble, but life's a gamble, right? So if you did enjoy it, then please give it a big thumbs up, as it really does help the channel out. It's been nice to be outside. Last couple of days have been more indoor jobs, if you like. But if you did enjoy it, then please give it a big thumbs up. As always, drop a comment down below. I really love to hear from you. Until tomorrow, I'll see you in the garden. You take care. Is that how it goes? See you guys.